Okay, I'm in the shadow. Let's talk about design finally. So, why I think design is important for a brand? Usually, when you see that startups are creating their product, they're investing a lot of money in marketing and product management, in sales, but they don't really think about design. And for me, this must be one of the most important things. Why? Design is basically how you distinct your product from the other people, and it also helps you to create a particular strategy in a visual sense. So usually when people see something, I don't know, online course, they have in their mind not just the text, like you have this kind of prices, you have this kind of professors, and this kind of value unique proposition, but also they perceive unconscious messages, and these unconscious messages, they're going from visual side, and they're seeing the colors, they're seeing how everything is organized, and they just understand what this brand is about. And if you use the weird design, or the design which is not well done, or the design which is not coherent and matching with the brand strategy, with the brand values, with the brand associations, it's starting to be for them a little bit confusing. And for you, the most important thing that you have to do is to create a super simple and understandable symbol of your brand. What I also like about design is that it helps you to get the attention of the person and play with the emotions and play with the perception of the brand. Because, for example, you can have nice slogan, but if you go to the landing page, you see how everything is organized, and everything is based on the visual side, and you go and see the heading, the text, the images, and the designer is the one who organizes everything. The designer decide, okay, so this text is important, so I'm gonna make it as, I don't know, the in the bold, or using different kind of icons, using different kinds of images just to catch this attention of this particular block. You decide with the colors, with the pictures, with the different kinds of fonts, where you need to catch the attention, where you need to lead your user to buy your product. The reputation, I think, it's what's important, because if you create something very, very useful and people go and see weird logo or like a weird landing page, they're gonna be, okay, this is not serious. Like, is this scam? I don't know. It may be not perfect design, but it can be something very matching with your mood. So the person understands, okay, if they invested money in design, it can be a good product because they have some extra investments, and they think not only about the value but also about the way how you use this product. I like this air. I like this air. And I like how people are affected by design, because usually what we see, I think 90 or 80% of the information we receive is with the eyes. It's not with the ears, it's not with the, what else do we have? Touching. It's with the eyes. And you go and you see the cover of something, of the musical disc or the landing page, and you subconsciously think that this brand seems a little bit more energetic than the other brand, just because the designer did it work and created a particular font, particular graphics for you to perceive it this way. And this what really inspires me, because I know that I might be not good at text, but I know how to make this text work in a particular situation. So it affects on the person's decisions, and it's nice. If you're working on your product, think about the design that you have in this product. It's about brand identity, it's about the UI UX design in your website or in your landing page, and it's about different kind of symbols, graphics that you use in your social media. This is super important. So I wish you to create beautiful products, that your business is going well, and that you create beautiful design in these products and in your businesses. See you in next videos.